The AutoRepair Cloud is much more than just an application for repair shop featuring the necessary functions. Using our marketing features, you can bring the new clients and more. Let's discuss the marketing features in detail. Shop's custom web page. Create your personal web page in the web application for the customers. Please go to Configuration, then select Customization tab. Here, you can set up the logo, which will be displayed at the start page of your repair shop. The logo, which your customers will see on the customer application webpage. And the logo on the invoice. First, upload the logo for the customer application, then select the For Customers tab. Create and enter the domain name for your page, which can, for example, be either the name of your repair shop or its abbreviation. If you click on the Preview button, a web page for your active customers will open up. Here, your customers can log into their account after they enter the phone number and a temporary password. Note that this password is sent to customers' email address when you add them to their repair shop. Customers who have registered here before can authorize here as well. When the application is open, you can see the logo and the name of your repair shop. Here, the customers can do the following: manage their vehicles, follow the progress of repair, approve or decline repair items, communicate in the chat with the mechanic, plan services and request repairs, and schedule appointments. Now, after we've got acquainted with the personal web page of your repair shop, let's go back to configuration. Press Download or Email to receive a PDF file to be sent out to your customers or printed out. The PDF file contains QR code, which customers can open with one of our applications in order to get to your repair shop. You can also copy the link of your personal web page and share it in the social network with your potential customers. Regarding the social network, you can bring new customers using our application in Facebook. Place it on your public page for your potential customers to learn about the details of the upcoming vehicle service and to plan an appointment. To learn more about setting up this application, use the link in description below. Besides the web application, your customers will have access to the free iPhone and Android apps for both phones and tablets. Customers who started using the application in your repair shop will be immediately offered to sign in to your repair shop in application. Customers who started using the customer application on their own will have access to the online and mobile catalogs, allowing them to find a repair shop located nearby. We hope that you will find these features useful. Please subscribe to the channel to learn about the latest AutoRepair Cloud updates and see you soon in our new video.